Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rebtel on iPhone. Rebtel is a popular app that allows you to make cheap international calls to any phone in the world. To get started, first download and install the Rebtel app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your phone number and email address. After creating an account, you will need to add credits to your Rebtel account. You can do this by tapping on the Buy Credits button and selecting the amount you want to add. You can pay using your credit card or PayPal. Once you have added credits, you can start making calls. To make a call, tap on the keypad button and dial the phone number you want to call. You can also search for contacts in your iPhone address book or use the Rebtel directory to find the phone number of the person you want to call. Before making the call, make sure you have a stable internet connection. When you make a call, Rebtel will connect you to the person you are calling using a local phone number. This means that the person you are calling will see a local phone number on their caller ID, rather than your actual phone number. This feature is useful if you want to keep your phone number private. In addition to making calls, Rebtel also allows you to send texts and make video calls. To send a text, tap on the Messages button and type your message. To make a video call, tap on the Video Call button and select the contact you want to call. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Rebtel include making sure you have a stable internet connection before making a call, and using a headset or earbuds to improve call quality. You should also be aware of the rates and charges for making calls to different countries. Overall, Rebtel is a convenient and affordable way to make international calls from your iPhone. By following these steps and tips, you can start making cheap international calls and staying in touch with friends and family around the world.